Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Marks & Parma. This is basically a Parma stock, and Parma gave a fantastic return for more than 7 to 8 months, and now some of the Parma stocks are consolidating. The stock is jumping like anything. So let's analyze the stock on this video. One of our subscriber also asked my view on this stock. So let's analyze the stock, and I have found a swing trade in the stock. So let's analyze the swing trade also. So this is the monthly chart of Marks and Pharma. So the stock is basically a good stock with a multi-bagger return. The stock gave a fantastic return of more than 2700 percentage within few years, which within 2 years. So this is a good stock to follow. And look at the listing. On the listing the stock fell too much, and it's in the same range till the year of 2013, and the stock gave a fantastic return on 2013 till 2015. It was on a bull run, and after a bull run it took a distribution zone. Look at the distribution. Always remember, the stock will take a distribution or reaccumulation. Both can be differentiated only after the breakout. So once the stock takes a good reaccumulation zone, the stock will give a breakout on higher side, and if the stock making a lower side breakout, then it can be taken as the distribution zone. So make a difference between reaccumulation and distribution, so that you will be understanding the cycles of the markets easily. So after the distribution, the stock gave a fantastic breakout here, a good breakdown, and it signals the downfall. Currently the stock is near the all-time high, and it also broke a resistance level, so it has become a support for the stock right now. So now let's move to the weekly chart. So this is the weekly chart of Marks and Pharma. So let me extend this line. So this can be taken as the major resistance for the stock, but now it is a support for the stock, and currently the stock is above the major support level, and one more resistance is there for the stock. So this can be taken as the upcoming resistance level for the stock. So once the stock breaks this level, then we can see a fantastic rally in the stock, and currently the stock is quite bullish, because look at the volume is 4 times the average volume. So it's really good to go long in the stock. So let's move to the daily chart to analyze the price entry and target for the stock. And before entering to the daily chart, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon, so that you will get the notifications of the videos published immediately, and feel free to comment below. So now let's move to the daily chart. The chart actually follows the technicals very clearly. So let me draw the trend line here. So look at the trend line. The trend line was broken here with a huge volume and huge candle with quite high sellers, but it's good to go long because the volume is supporting. Because look at the volume of previous day. The volume of breakout is almost 5 times higher than the previous day volume. So the same thing happened here also, but it broke a rounding top here. So this can be taken as the entry, because almost the tops will be broken only in downside, but this is a different pattern. But this cannot be taken as the pattern itself, but we can analyze the stock using the demand and supply. So look at the values here. Once the stock hits the demand zone, the stock started propelling to the higher side, and now it also broke the major resistance. So this region can be acted as the support level for the stock. Now let me move to the daily chart, to the 1 hour chart, so that we will be understanding the charts clearly. So look at the pattern here. The chart gave a breakout, and now it tries to take a support level. So once the stock breaks the price range of 97, that too with a S type of retracement, let me draw it. The stock gave a breakout here, and the stock should retrace to the price range of 90, and once the stock starts moving higher and breaks the price range of 95 to 96 range can be taken as an entry for the stock, and one can expect the 115 range as a target, which is around 20% upside from the current market price, and this is a very easy target. Be cautious on this trade because the candle closed in a 1 hour basis is bearish, so be cautious before taking trade and just take entry only the stock breaks the price range of 97, and one can take a entry above the price range of 97, and one can expect the target of 115 price range, which is almost 20% upside from the current market price. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching our videos. Thank you.